Hello everyone, myself Shrikant N, Government Polytechnic Haryara, Department of Civil Engineering. We under work in Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Yesterday, session 1, we will discuss with on rate analysis, definition, and cost of labor, cost of material, and cost of miscellaneous and contractor profit and water charges. Let's today's session 2 about the estimate rate analysis of small problems from earthwork excavation, earthwork filling, and cement concrete bed foundation. So for example, earthwork excavation, so the diagram. So this is the ground level, and it is the 2.5 feet depth and width is 2 meter. So this portion is excavated area of our foundation wall. For excavation, in soft soil or sandy soil, soft soil. So minimum depth of the excavation of foundation is up to hard starter level to excavate. In hard rock or hard level, so minimum 2.5 feet is required. Then the excavated soil is lead up to 1.5 meter to 50 meter horizontal. So minimum 1 meter gap, and then put it the material at the afterward. Otherwise, the excavated earth fall into the trench. So to avoid this, avoid that purpose, the excavated earth is minimum 1 meter forward to other side. And earth excavation will be vertically vertically excavated, and trimming and ramming at the bottom side. Next, we will start small problem on earthwork excavation, trenches for foundation and not exceeding 1.5 meter width, including dressing of sides and ramming of the bottom, lift up to 1.5 meter and lead up to 30 meters. So suppose earthwork excavation take as 10 cubic meter. Particulars: quantity, rate, amount, labor, mazdoor. So quantity 3 numbers of mazdoor, rate 450. Already for rate is in first session we will discuss. We are about labor rate. Mazdoor is 450, and 3 into 450 equals to 1350. And the contingency tools and plants, lump sum 50 rupees. The total is 1400. The water charges at 1%, 1400 ಗೆ 1% ಆದರೆ 14 rupees. Profit and overhead or contractor profit is 10% of 1400, 140. The grand total is 1554. So grand total. The 1 cubic meter for one cubic meter for earthwork excavation rate analysis. So grand total divided by total quantity. So 1554 divided by 10, so equals to approximately 156 rupees per cubic meter. Next one is earthwork filling or backfilling to the plinth area level. So second one problem, filling available excavated earth in trenches, plinth side of foundation in layer consolidating layer by layer, ramming and watering, lead up to 50 meter and lift up to 1.5 meter. Take 10 cubic meter. Take 10 cubic meter. Particulars, quantity, rate, amount, labor, mazdoor. Mazdoor 2 numbers, rate is 450, amount is 900. Contingency and tools and plants, lump sum is 50 rupees. So total is 950. The water charges 1% and profit and overhead 10%. So 9.550 paisa and 95 rupees. So grand total is 1054 rupees 50 paisa. So per cubic meter is 1054 1054.50 paisa divided by 100 equals to approximate rate of 1 cubic meter of earth filling is 106 rupees. Otherwise, in earthwork filling, the available earth is filling. In other circumstance, there is no earth available. Then we brought outer side of the outer side and from transportation take and fill the earthwork quantity. Next, cement concrete work. Cement concrete is the major portion of in rate analysis. It may be variety of concretes up to small. For example, one small problem, small cement concrete 148 with the graded stone ballast 40 mm down in foundation. Calculation of material. Take 10 cubic meter. Take 10 cubic meter. For dry quantity is added 54% extra. 54%. It is 54%. Why is 54%? The experimentation and variety of experimentation and experience. The total quantity of wet material is dry material 54% extra to be taken. Then 10 cubic meter plus 54%, 5.4% equals to 15.4. So it is the standard proportion of 148. So calculating the cement 15.4 divided by proportion of concrete 13, so equals to 1.1846. So approximately 1.2 cubic meter. So 1.2 cubic meter is converted into bags. So 1 cubic meter equals to 28.8 bags. Previous session we will discussion in 1 cubic meter of cement equals to 28.8 bags in multiple choice questions. So total number of bags equals to 34.58 bags, approximately 35 bags. Same as sand is sand quantity is calculated. The amount of cement 1.2 cubic meter proportion 4 into equals to 4.8 cubic meter. So quantity of sand, this got it. And next third one is aggregate. 40 mm down size aggregate at proportion 148. So aggregates is 8. Then quantity of cement 1.2 cubic meter into 8 equals to 9.6 cubic meter. We already calculate the calculation of material and then to tabulate in a tabular column with the material, labors and percentage. So first one, particulars, quantity, rates, amount. So first one, material. So cement. So approximately 35 bags at rate 350, and sand is 4.8 cubic meter, and rate is 3,000 rupees, and aggregates 9.6 equals to 2,000 rupees per cubic meter. The total amount is calculated. Then material labor portion, head mason, mason, mazdoor. They are mixing of material and lead up to 30 meter and put it to the working place at the site. So head mason is 0.5 numbers, so 800 rupees per day, and mason 2 numbers 600 rupees per day, and mazdoor is 10 numbers 450. So total amount is calculated. So other next one is contingency tools and plants is lump sum 500 rupees. So total is 52,450 rupees. Water charges at 1%, 524.50 paisa. Profit and overhead is 10%, 5,245. So grand total is 58,219.50. So per cubic total per cubic meter of concrete for bed concrete 148 is, so total grand total divided by total quantity divided by 10, then 1 cubic meter of bed concrete equals to 5,822 rupees only. Multiple choice questions, MCQ. What is the lead and lift allowed in earthwork excavation for foundation? So 50 meter and 2 meter, 30 meter and 2 meter, 30 meter and 1.5 meter, and fourth one is 20 meter and 1 meter. So answer is C, 30 meter and 1.5 meter. So second question, what is the unit weight of cement? What is the unit weight of cement? So unit weight of cement equals 1440 kg per meter cube. Second, B1 2000 kg per meter cube. C 1600 kg per meter cube. D 1000 kg per meter cube. So answer is 1440 kg per meter cube. Third one, what is the unit weight of steel? We unit weight of steel to calculate the steel quantity. So first one answer is 5000 kg per meter cube, 6000, 7800 kg per meter cube. Next fourth one is 7850 kg per meter cube. The answer is D, 7850 kg per meter cube. These are the these are very well known for the calculating steel quantity. Calculate the number of cement bags required for 2500 kg of cement. So 2000 kg of cement, how much bags comes? So first one 25 bags, second one 50 bags, third one is 75 bags, next D one is 60 bags. So we 2500 divided by 50. So the bags come to 50 bags. So the answer is 50 bags of cement. The quantity of coarse aggregate required for RCC 136 for 20 cubic meter of work is 18.48 meter cube, 20.48 meter cube, 15.48 meter cube, 23.48 cubic meter. The answer is number A, 18.48. How to calculate? The first you standard number 15.4 divided by 136. 136 nothing but 1 plus 3 plus 6, 10. 15.4 divided by 10 equals to 1.54. 1.54 is the proportion of cement. He told for 20 cubic meter. So 1.5 into 2. So it's get 2.08. 2.08. Then calculate 2 into 3. Those so 18.48 m cube. So answer is 18.48 m cube. What is the unit payment of cement concrete in lintels is per square meter, per cubic meter, per quintal, per kilogram. So unit weight or unit of payment for cement concrete in lintel is cubic meter. Answer one is B. And thank you.